This Real Estate Advantage property video is presented by Anthony Benedetto. A very well-maintained 2-bedroom bath and a half mobile home situated in a nice quiet park setting, and offering gas and electric heat, all updated vinyl replacement windows, a 200-amp electrical system, kitchen stove and refrigerator, washer and dryer and air condition units will be included along with 2 outside sheds. Lot rent includes garbage, waster and sewer and taxes. For more information, review the details below.